Hola! This video is to show you how to make a recording, a video yourself in Canvas. And so you are currently in this activity, this assignment, discusión de grupo, which is a group discussion. Tema, that's your prompt. It says, necesitas presentarte a todos. ¿Quién eres? ¿Cómo eres? So you need to introduce yourself to everyone. Who are you and what are you like? You can watch the video that I made as an example, but now I'm going to show you how you're going to make your own video. So I'm going to scroll all the way down. Please read the instructions as you're doing the activity, but I'm going to scroll straight to where it says reply. I'm going to click on a reply, and then I'm going to look for this icon here, and it's the Canvas Studio icon. I'm going to click on the Canvas Studio icon. And then I'm going to click on record, and we're going to do the webcam capture. That way I can see you and not just your screen. So click on webcam capture, and there I am. So now I'm going to make another video inside of this video, and I'm going to click here where it says start recording. Hola, yo soy la señora Solórzano. Now I'm going to hit finish, and I can give this a title. So we're going to say, we're just going to call this a práctica. And then I'm going to save. Now it says uploading, and that was very quick. So you'll see these three dots, and you can just go ahead and click on there. And if you, we're going to leave allow comments. We're going to leave that one turned on. And then we need to embed, which is at the very bottom, and I'm unable to scroll at the moment, but I'm going to click on embed, which you will see at the bottom. All right, and so then your reply is now posted. Well, I'm sorry, it's now in the text box, and now we're going to post the reply by clicking here. All right, so there I am. Give it a try, and if you have any technical difficulties, let me know, and I will try to help you through it. Gracias.